This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you are on Windows 7 Service Pack 1 and noting whether the system is 32-bit or 64-bit, because packages must match. Make a quick backup and create a system restore point in case you need to roll back. Next, download the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable for Visual Studio 2015-2019 that corresponds to your architecture. Once done, close all running apps so installers can update shared runtime files without locking them. You now run the installer as administrator. Right-click and choose Run as Administrator to ensure proper registration of DLLs. If the installer shows Repair, pick that. If not, install fresh and then reboot to let Windows register the runtime. After reboot, open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano to verify system files. If SFC reports issues it cannot fix, run dism to repair the component store, because corrupted Windows resources can keep the DLL missing error persisting. You finish by reinstalling the application that threw the error so it re-registers dependencies against the newly installed runtime. Make sure Windows Update is current and install optional updates that include C++ runtime patches. If the error remains, you can obtain the specific API MS Win CRT Runtime L1-1-0 DLL from a trusted system with the same architecture and place it into the app folder or system32/syswow64, then run regsver32 if needed. If nothing works, restore the system restore point and revisit the redistributable install.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.